All right, Michelle's going in a battle. This is dangerous. It's so cron. I might not see her again, so you got your gun, Michelle?
Yes.
All right, see ya. We're about to get into the thick of it. Some gun battles going on. It's pretty serious stuff. We'll see you on the other side. Let me see the damage. Show me your face. Oh, that's not too bad. He's got it. Little drive-by, stop and drive-by. Okay. So, this is, alright, we'll just go into Hey, I gotta reload here. Hold on. Right now, Michelle's taking on most of the casualties. So I'm the journalist. Oh yeah, that one was, the last one was really cold. It was like an ice bucket.